Op. Guys, stop scrolling, okay? Tanong ko lang, are you an employee? Empleyado ka ba? And gusto mong mag-start ng negosyo or you're thinking about starting a business. Um, well, I have one advice for you and this has been my mantra, kumbaga. Ito ang paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa sarili ko when I was still working, no? And that is work to learn and not to earn. Okay? Again, work to learn, not to earn. Okay? Madalas kasi sa atin, lalo na nag-uumpisa tayo, nung naghahanap pa tayo ng trabaho, ang una nating iniisip saan ba makakahanap ng trabaho na may pinakamalaking sweldo. 'Di ba? Siyempre, kasi yun naman ang gusto natin, 'di ba? Para mas maging komportable ang buhay natin. However, what I realized